Okay, we're going to cut this edge off. We're going to set and push again. Push away. Ta-da. It's really fast once you get a bunch of them laid down.
Nice.
Okay, so then I'm going to roll that under a little bit. I know, you can't see through my hands.
And you're talking about that glue. What is it? Can you give us
Tylose glue. It's
Okay.
Tylose powder, which is your gum, and water to make your gum glue.
Is that a super secret recipe?
No.
Excellent.
If you just put some gum glue, the Tylose powder or CMC, either one, in a container, hot water, and stir it up. If you see the clumps in there, give it time. The Tylose will absorb the water, and you just keep stirring it and stirring it and stirring it, and then let it cool, and you can keep it in a container and keep using it. Okay. Once I use this, I will throw it away because the brush has been in it. I don't keep it and reuse it. I pour out of my bottle into my container and go from there.
Let's say I've never done this before at all. How much Tylose? And I know you can get Tylose in a little container, and you throw some of that in there, and you put some hot water in there.
Yes.
How much Tylose versus water?
I don't measure it. I
Yeah.
just throw it in. If it gets
Okay.
too thick, add more water. Shake it up really
Gotcha.
hard. If it's too thick and it turns to a gel, you've got too much Tylose. Just add more water. You're going to use it, so you can always
Gotcha.
dilute it down to the consistency.
Okay.
And over time, if from using it, pouring it in there, you can get it to the point where you like it.
Okay, and that works better than Elmer's glue. Yeah,
Okay, you liking that?
it's very cool.
Liking that?
It's good looking.
Okay, let's cut another one. I want to get you to the top because tap it, make it fly off everywhere. Once we get to the top, we need to cut the green down a little bit. Oh, didn't like my
Yeah.
bumps on that one. Bring it in a little bit. Close to the white line, a little better.
Nice.
Isn't that cool? That way it just
I
taps
wonder,
out.
I wonder why it's called a tap it.
I don't know. Pops right out.
Nice.
So I'm going to take my knife, a little less green, just slice this right off.
Oh,
On the
freehand.
counter.
Look at you, freehand.
Freehand, yes. I'm
Right.
good. Okay, I'm going to go smaller piece. Let you guys see where it's going. Overlap. You don't have to worry about the greens lining up. You got to worry about the whites for the bumps, okay?
Gotcha.
Alrighty. One more little piece. Here we go. That last strip should get the top done. Then I'm going to show you something fun for the top.
Yeah. Curious how that top's gonna end up.
Yeah.
So yeah, show
Roll
us how to.
this
Yeah, I was gonna
under.
say we need to see how to marry the edges together.
Roll it under so that you don't see the flat edge. You want it to curl and
Roll it
disappear.
under. And there's a back to this tree,
Not really.
so it's all over whichever way. Okay.
Yeah. I would say that's the back because I don't like that spot.
Okay.
So that would be my front.
All right.
Okay.
Just like a real tree.
Just like a real tree.
Okay.
If somebody's going to go 360 around your tree, decorate a 360. If they're not, save
Yeah.
the ornaments, apply them on the front. All right, one more piece. Area that didn't stick. Use my knife to lift this so I can straighten out the line. Push, yay.
All right.
Okay, let's get this last one on here. Hopefully this is the last one. Might have to go more. Uh-oh. I'm going to press that together. It kind of decided to let go of itself right there. Okay, I need one more piece. So I didn't throw any of this away.
Wait a minute. Let me see what this is. Hang on. Get on camera.
All
Okay.
my excess.
All right.
This can always be used. This is great for hanging on to. Just clump it all together. Wrap it up in your plastic. And believe it or not, you can still use this, even with it variegated like this, for something fun.
Cool.
Okay, twisting it around is good.
Nice.
Fun, it never gets thrown away. We need one more little piece.